If you feel lost in your life right now, like you have no direction, no purpose, this video might change everything for you. Let me honest with you. Most people feel lost at some point in their life. You wake up, scroll your phone, watch others winning, and suddenly you feel like you are falling behind. You don't know what are you doing. You don't know what you are going, and slowly you start thinking, is something wrong with me? But here is the truth. Nothing is wrong with you. You are just stuck without direction. Now listen carefully. Why you feel lost? You feel lost because three reasons. Number one, too many distractions. Social media, reels, short dopamine hits, they are killing your focus. Number two, no clear goal. If you don't know where to go, every path feel confusing. Number three, overthinking everything. You think too much, but you don't take action, and this combination keeps you stuck. Now, how to fix your life? Now, listen carefully. This is how you fixed it. Step 1, cut the noise. For the next 7 days, reduce social media, reduce useless scrolling. Give your brain some silence, because clarity does not come from noise, it's come from stillness. Step 2, pick one direction. Not 10 goals, many goals, just one, like gym, study, skill, money, anything. You don't need a perfect plan, you just need a starting point. Clarity comes after action, not before it. Point 3, build small discipline. Don't try to change your whole life in one day. Start small. Wake up on time, do 30-minute work, stay consistent. That's it. Small wins build confidence. Part 4, truth nobody tells. No one is coming to save you. No perfect moment is coming. And honestly, your life will only change you when you decide to change it. So you feel lost right now? Don't panic. You are not behind. They are just getting started. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. And if you this video help you, save it, because you need this reminder again. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's hope you enjoy it.